my dad, and today we're taking him drifting. Are you nervous?
No, not a little bit. I love you though. Since you transitioned to a man, you're doing manly things.
So what you guys don't know, he's never been in a race car, drift car, or anything at all, period. We're gonna be casual today. We're gonna take it easy, all right? Nervous?
Fuck, how fast were we going?
Maybe 70 or 80.
That's good. Holy fuck, that's nice.
All right, I'm gonna check the tires and we're gonna go out and make a hot lap.
No, what's a hot lap?
A real one.
Oh, that was good enough. That's all I need.
What?
I'm gonna throw up. Shit, that was good. I loved it. But that's enough.
You're done?
I'm done.
Was it scary?
Hell yeah, it's scary.
All I kept seeing you do was waving over
I
here.
was saying I'm finished. Damn.
How'd you do, Bill? No shit.
I did pretty good for a female driver. I thought he did pretty good. I really did.
All right, we gotta go put tires on anyways. We're destroyed. That's a set of
I
tires.
love that. That was nice. It was really good. I can tell you know what you're doing. That's why I wasn't scared. I need pictures of this for my social media now.
Absolutely. Well, you're gonna go again, and we're gonna take some still pictures. That ain't your only ride. You're gonna go again.
No, I gotta go. No, I've done enough.
No,
I
you're
done
doing
it.
another one?
I
No.
did it. I did it. That's all I'm doing.
Liam does this shit all the time.
I know, but Liam's 2 years old. I'm
He's
57.
Good Lord.
How'd I get out of this damn thing?
Crawl out.
God.
I thought you were tough, man. You're the biggest chicken shit I've ever met in my life.
Some bullshit.
Yeah,
right
he got in
there.
the car and he started crying right away, just hands flailing in the air. Stop! You're
Telling
gonna hit
them
the wall,
stories,
blah,
just telling
blah,
them
blah.
stories.
Yeah, bullshit, man.
Shit,
Good
telling them
Lord.
stories.
Obviously, I didn't get my balls from you. Maybe I got them from Grandpa, but I didn't get them from you. Oh, shit.
Oh, God.
I love you, Dad. Thank you for riding me.
Yes, sir.
Where's he going?
Huh?
Why is he leaving?
He's leaving because he's scared and he wants to go watch Georgia football. So, I mean, I'm just going to go with the scared more than Georgia football.
Bye.
So long, gay boys!